Hello and welcome back to another video by Infintor. In this video, we are going to see how to create multiple warehouse in Odoo and how to transfer stock between them. So first, let us open the inventory app. And now we have to go to configuration and settings. And inside the settings, there we have to enable the storage location. So let me just enable it and save it. So, okay, that's done. Now let us create our new warehouse. So to create warehouse in Odoo, we have to go to configuration and click on warehouses. Here you can see the already existing warehouse. And to create a new one, click on new. So now let me just give it a short name as WH2 and save it. And just like that, a new warehouse has been created. So now let us see the products in our warehouses. So to see that, go to reporting and click on stock. And here you can select individual warehouses. So let me select the first warehouse and you can see a product chair is there. And if we select our newly created warehouse, you can see that the on-hand quantity is 0. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create an internal transfer from the first warehouse to the second warehouse. So what we are going to do is we are moving the product chair from the first warehouse to our newly created warehouse. So now to do that, go to the operations and under transfers, click on internal and click on new. So now here, as you can see, the operation type is internal transfer and the source location is the first warehouse and the destination location should be our newly created warehouse. So let me select WH2 stock and now here you can add the product. So product is chair and let me type in the quantity as 1. So what we are going to do is we are going to move the product chair from the source location to the destination location. So let me click on validate to complete the internal transfer. So you can click on the moves button and here you can see our product being picked from the initial warehouse to our newly created warehouse. Also you can see the quantity. So we can also see this by going to reporting stock and here if we click on the first warehouse, now the on-hand quantity has been decreased. And if I select our newly created warehouse, now you can see that the on-hand quantity here is 1, meaning the product chair has been moved from the first warehouse to this new warehouse. So that's how you create a new warehouse and do an internal transfer in Odoo 19. I hope everything is clear to you and if you guys have any doubts on this topic, you can contact us at infintor.com. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.